A 225-year-old US law is at the center of a major political and legal battle. It's called the Alien Enemies Act, and US President Donald Trump has invoked it to deport alleged gang members. But a federal judge has blocked the move, questioning whether the law can be used in peacetime. So, what exactly is this Alien Enemies Act, and why is it so controversial? The Alien Enemies Act of 1798 is one of the oldest US national security laws. It was passed during a time of rising tensions between the United States and France. The law gives the president sweeping powers to detain or deport foreign nationals from countries considered hostile to the United States without trial. Historically, the law has been used only during wartime. For example, it was used against British nationals in the War of 1812. Similarly, during the First World War, German and Austro-Hungarian nationals were detained and deported. Next, in the Second World War, the US used it to detain Germans, Italians, and over 120,000 Japanese Americans, many of whom were US citizens. This led to the controversial internment camps during the Second World War, which is one of the darkest chapters in American history. The Alien Enemies Act was never meant to be used in peacetime against criminal groups or migrants, but Trump's administration is now applying it to deport alleged members of a Venezuelan gang, calling it an invading force. Legal experts say this is unprecedented because the US is not at war with Venezuela. The law has only applied to enemy nations, not gangs or criminal groups. Trump's use of the law was immediately challenged in court. A US federal judge blocked the deportations, ruling that the law does not apply in this situation. However, the Trump administration disagrees. White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt defended the move, stating, "A single judge in a single city cannot direct the movements of an aircraft full of foreign alien terrorists who were physically expelled from the US soil." Trump's team argues that mass migration and gang violence amount to an invasion, making the law applicable. The case has renewed calls to repeal the Alien Enemies Act entirely. Lawmakers Ilhan Omar and Mazi Hirono have introduced a bill to eliminate the law, warning that it could be misused in the future. What happens next? A hearing is scheduled for Friday where the courts will decide if Trump's interpretation of the Alien Enemies Act holds up. Can a 225-year-old wartime law be used for immigration enforcement, or will the courts shut down Trump's move? For more updates on this, stay tuned to the official YouTube channel of the Indian Express.